Hi, my name is Ravkiran, and I'm a professional global climate change scientist here with my research group. Today I'm here to tell you about what climate change is and how it affects the world.
I have a Miss Singh, how do you even know that global climate change exists? What's the evidence?
Well, global climate change is an important issue that revolves around the slow heating of the Earth due to greenhouse gas emissions. Greenhouse gases can be emitted from things like exhaust from cars, factories, and electricity production. The gas that is responsible for most of the global warming is carbon dioxide, or CO2. And currently, there's too much in the atmosphere, which traps heat and warms the planet. Scientists have been studying how much the Earth has been warmed, and so far, it has warmed by more than 1 degree Fahrenheit over the last century. So, Ms. Jakiyah, what causes global climate change? Are there any human-generated natural causes?
Humans are the main reason for global climate change because we are the ones that add CO2 and other heat-trapping gases to the atmosphere, which increases the greenhouse effect and raises the climate. We burn fossil fuels excessively, and this leads to global warming. The CO2 helps CFCs burn holes in the ozone layer, and the damaged ozone layer lets more radiation from the sun pass through and cause global warming. More natural causes like variations in the sun's energy reaching Earth, changes in the reflectivity of Earth's atmosphere and surface, and changes in the greenhouse effect also can contribute to the global climate change.
So how is the weather impacted by global climate change, Ravkiran?
Weather is greatly affected by global climate change. Due to climate change, the temperature will become more hot and more humid, and storms will be stronger and more devastating. There will also be an increase in the number of droughts, windstorms, heat waves, and dust storms. Previously, small issues like landslides will become more destructive and problematic for us. Carbon dioxide being released into the atmosphere creates more energy, and more energy creates more potential for extreme temperatures. Many droughts have come as an effect of global climate change, which drastically damages the agricultural industry and its ability to grow crops due to the rapid decrease of water.
So what's so important about climate change? Why should we be concerned about it?
Climate change heavily impacts weather, sea level, and land use. Due to climate change, we experience more droughts, heat waves, forest fires, melting ice caps, and increased sea levels. Global climate change can also affect agriculture, wildlife, the economy, and because of slow but deadly increase in temperature, which will cause plants to die in droughts, wildlife to be driven away by wildfires, and the economy to be threatened by changes in the economic structure. Overall, the entire world could be beaten down to a pulp by climate change, which many people do not concern themselves with. So, Hanae, what can we do about global climate change?
Well, you yourself can do many things about global climate change. Simple tasks like replacing a light bulb with an LED one and spending less time using your car are easy ways that can help contribute to preventing climate change. Other things like powering down electronics when you aren't using them, recycling, and using less water are also useful tips to avoid sending more pollutant.
All in all, global climate change is an important conflict that should not be overlooked by anyone. We hope that we've enlightened you on global climate change and that you will make better decisions because of it. Thanks for listening!
Sea level and land use. Due to climate change, we experience more droughts, heat waves, forest fires, melting ice caps, and increased sea levels. Global climate change can also affect agriculture.
While casually filming,
Droughts. Wildlife will be driven away by wait.